So I already made a video about this project, and I want to always do follow-ups whenever I learn something new. And in this case, I ran into my neighbor after I did make a video. You can go back on, I'm pretty sure it's in my shop projects playlist. His Gravely Mower Deck had a pretty massive failure in terms of cracking, and I welded it up for him, added some gussets and whatever. I ran into him, and he was using his mower, and I asked him how it did for him, and he did run the bagger, and he said that he's used the mower somewhere between 50 and 80 hours this year on this welding, and that's mowing. And there are no new cracks, no new issues, and it appears to be working absolutely perfectly. I wanted to make a follow-up because I did show the process that I used to weld this, and I wanted to show everyone, if they're going to duplicate it, that it is working. Another friend that I have that had the same issue, he had somebody else weld it with a stick welder. Not that there's anything wrong with the stick welder, but just the method that they use, and they didn't do any gusseting like I did, and they probably didn't drill the cracks like I did. They did have, or that mower did have, a relapse of cracking, and it had to be welded again. So I wanted to do this follow-up because there are people who are probably going to try and duplicate what I did, and I want to show that it worked. Because I think that's important. I don't want to just make a video and have it go into ether and no one really know if it worked out or not. And if it would have failed, I would have shared that too. I'm pretty open about being, transparent on my videos and whatnot. So hopefully you enjoyed this. This is, like I said, literally just a quick cover or a quick showing of what this looks like now after a whole season of the guy using it. So thank you all for tuning in. If you haven't seen the original video, go back and watch that so you can see the process that I used. And also, he did end up getting a full replacement deck from Gravely without any attachments, or just the bare welded deck, free of charge, delivered to him. So that all did work out. So contact your Gravely dealer if you need to have that done. Your Gravely dealer can fill out that warranty form for you, even though it has been modified. So, or, repaired. The biggest thing is they want you to be safe and not use it if it's broken. So don't use it if it's broken, but if you want to fix it, that didn't seem to bother the situation that my neighbor was in. He did get a brand new deck free of charge. Take care, everyone.